subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
WordPress provides a very simple way of uploading and installing a theme to a website. All you need to do is upload and install them correctly with few simple clicks in your WordPress dashboard. But sometimes it is difficult to do so, and you may face some difficulties while uploading or installing a theme or a WordPress theme. These errors are generally not an issue while you are installing a child theme or a free demo theme. These errors are more often when you bought a premium WordPress theme and try to upload the theme's zip file in your WordPress dashboard. Sometimes it just doesn't get uploaded, and sometimes the upload gets complete but it shows an error while installing the theme. The link you followed has expired is one of the many errors that you may face while installing a WordPress theme with a zip file. These errors can be corrected in a very simple way to avoid them in first place. To avoid these errors, all you need to do is install them manually in hosting cPanel instead of WordPress dashboard. All you need to do is go to open your hosting panel, go to cPanel admin. Now go to file manager. Now select radio button, document root for, then hit go. Go to WP content, then themes. Now click on the upload. Now choose the file or select the zip file that you want to upload, and it will automatically start uploading. As you can see, the theme is uploading has been started, and theme is uploaded successfully. We will wait for some time. Now go back to WP themes and extract the zip file. Simply click on extract. This will extract the zip file inside the themes only. Now close this. Again reload this so that you will find all the updated theme folder here. Now delete this newspaper theme.zip as it is not required. Yeah, we will permanently delete this zip file. Now go to your dashboard again and click on please try again. As you can see, a list of themes has been added, and if I click on the themes, you will see the newspaper themes has been there installed successfully. Now if you activate this, your theme installation error is gone and your theme is now activated on your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching.